Okay, so we would like a way to end our game. So let's add some sort of ending condition here, a place where the player is trying to go. So let's add a new sprite. I'm gonna use a bowl because dogs eat out of a bowl, I guess. We're gonna put it right here, and the bowl is gonna have very simple code. It's simply gonna say when we click start, we're gonna wait until sensing, touching the player. And then we can put whatever we want to when we end the game. So perhaps you play a sound, perhaps you have a sprite that appears, you broadcast something, and this displays another sprite which says you win the game. For the moment, let's just have him stop all. Perhaps let's make a sound. Play. Let's record. You win! You win! Okay, there we go. Save that. Okay. Go back to our code here. And make that recording 1. On the program. Jumps down here. You win! And stops the game. Okay. Second thing, you might like to have some targets that. Oh, unfortunately, that's a little bit of. Oh, we can start the game over. Just a little bug there where the dog is touching the bowl at the end of when you try to restart, so it stops the game. But no big deal. Let's put some targets, perhaps. So you could add some bananas like in the last lab. Let's create a new sprite. I think coin. Oh, there are no coins. Let's make balls. And these will be our targets. So let's say when clicked. First of all, we would like to hide ourselves. Looks. We'll hide. And then we're going to want to create a bunch of clones. So let's make some clones. Sorry, we're going to create a clone of myself. Let's do that perhaps 4 times. Control. And just for simplicity's sake, we'll have them start in random positions. You could hard code it in where you create a clone of yourself and put it in a certain position each time, but we can also do that here for simplicity's sake. So whereas when I start as a clone, let's have him go to a random position for now, and then we will wait until. So wait until sensing, touching the player. Oops, touching player, and then let's say looks, hide, and variable, make a variable, score. Okay, and we will change score by 1. In the beginning, we want to set our score to be 0. So let's do that right here. And run the program. Oops, that didn't work. So we need to show ourselves because we're hiding here. Okay, and we have balls that we can collect. You win! Before we get there. Obviously, you want to do something a little bit more interesting than just having them randomly appear on the screen, but this is the basic technique.